What would it take to send a fighter jet to the moon? The distance to the moon is 238,855 miles. An F-16 at full speed covers about 1,500 miles per hour. Do the math, and it takes roughly 159 hours, just over 6.5 days to get there. The only problem is everything else. A jet engine works by sucking in air, mixing it with fuel and igniting the result. Space has no air, so the engine is dead the moment you leave the atmosphere. First modification: rip out the jet engine and replace it with a rocket. The wings can stay. They're useless without air, but the structure is solid. The skin needs replacing with radiator panels to manage the extreme temperature swings between sunlight and shadow. The pressurization system gets swapped for a full life support setup. The radar stays. The 20mm cannon can stay too. With a small modification, it'll work in a vacuum. In space, there's no aerodynamic drag forcing the nose into a specific shape, so the airframe design becomes largely irrelevant. What you end up with is something that barely resembles a fighter anymore: a rocket-powered titanium shell with an F-16's bones, a cannon, and a pilot sitting inside a life support bubble watching the moon get slowly closer for 6 days. The fastest humans have traveled to the moon was aboard Apollo 10 at 24,791 miles per hour. That took 3 days. At an F-16's top speed, you're doubling the travel time and arriving at a machine that, by the time it gets there, has almost nothing left in common with the jet it started as.